Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be working on this Lotus Elise here, and the reason I'm doing a headlight video with the Lotus Elise is because with my last Lotus I put HID headlamps in it, and with this one I'm putting in these LED headlamps. There are many videos on this subject and they talk about the light output, and what I found is that LED headlamps are very good and HID headlamps are very good. The downside of both is the fitment, and so when you see on this box here this giant picture of what the LED headlamp looks like, you notice that it has this enormous cooling unit on the back, and that is what made me think that it wouldn't fit in a Lotus Elise. If we put a stock H7 bulb next to the LED bulb I'm trying to put in the Lotus, you notice the problem with the LED bulb is the cooling fan that protrudes from the back, and that is what we are most worried about. The downside with HID headlamps is that they have that ballast box, and so when I mounted the HID headlamps in my previous Lotus, I had to mount the ballast box inside of the headlight unit, and that was a real hassle. When this company reached out to me, Ballast LED lights, they make LED headlamps for cars, they asked me if I wanted to try their product, and I said, yeah, I'll try it, but will it fit in my Lotus Elise? And so they sent me this sample, and it does in fact fit. So there's my stock headlight. Not a whole lot of light output, and that's one of the problems with the stock Lotus Elise headlights is they're not very good at night, and that's why I recommend upgrading the headlights. So I'm going to bolt these LED headlamps in, and then I'm going to show you what the light output looks like. All right, here's the LED light. The output is absolutely blinding, so I'm going to close my eyes and show you guys what it looks like before I put it in the hole. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Here's an example showing the LED headlight on the right and the stock one on the left. And here are the lights outside facing the wall. You can see how defined the cutoff line is, and if we go around the car here, you can see the color temperature of the lights. It looks much nicer than the stock lights, and it lights up the road a whole lot better. They are very bright. Now here I'm angling it slightly towards the garages on the right, but you can see how well it fills up the road and how defined that cutoff line is. That was very exciting to me because it didn't require that much work. You can simply turn your wheel out, unscrew the fender liner, come in from the back, and pop that sucker in there. Great light output and not a lot of money to upgrade the headlights. Not a lot of time either. And that was the problem with the HID upgrade. It took me a little bit more time. This one was simply plug and play, turn them on, and I have excellent lights. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.